Okay. Hi, I'm going to be making some, I'm Cocktail Tony. I'm not making a cocktail. I'm not drinking. I quit drinking for a little while. So I'm going to cook. And I'm going to make some steak fajitas. And I use this easy fajita seasoning, olive oil, and a little canola oil to put on the grill and get it going, and butter. And I already seasoned the steak, and I'm going to start the veggies in 1 second. I just had to move the grill. The wind started kicking up here. You know, the wind started kicking up. So sometimes you have to do that kind of stuff. Okay, now we can go over here, and I'm going to do this. I'm going to put a little oil on the grill and throw the veggies on.
What are the veggies?
There you go. Nice and sizzle there, huh? The neighborhood is going to wonder what's going on because it's going to smell pretty good out in the neighborhood.
What are the veggies?
We got onions, yellow peppers, and green peppers. Why do you mean, what are the veggies? You made the veggies. You want to know what they are. Now I'm going to put some seasoning on them.
What seasoning?
This is fajita seasoning. I already explained it. Put a little olive oil on there. And we'll let these things cook up. I hope the neighbors don't come over and get this. Watch me cooking this stuff. They can smell it all over the neighborhood. I love the smell of onions cooking. The best thing in the world. Huh, Karen?
Yep.
Ain't that right, Mrs.?
Yep,
Yep,
that's right.
it is.
Uh-huh. Yes, I'm recording.
Oh boy, because the people want to know what Cocktails Tony's been doing now that he's not drinking too much.
What have you been doing?
Not drinking too much. We're going to Egypt, so Karen wants me to be able to fit into some thinner clothes. So I have to watch my weight. Oh, this is smoke good. This smells delicious. Okay, there you go. Okay, I was supposed to put lime juice on the veggies here, but I ran out of lime juice. But the lime juice is on the steak, so hopefully the steak will carry over on it, right? Look at that. Can you just look at it? You can smell the lime juice just by cooking on there. Oh. On the steak, I used the fajita spice, the lime juice, and olive oil, and this is oh, I'm ready to eat already, and it's not even done yet. Now you got to remember when you're cooking this stuff, make sure your mouth starts watering, because my mouth is watering. And let that cook up a little. I got the heat on medium. We got medium heat. I love this grill. This is the best thing I ever invested in. I've been making all kinds of stuff, omelets and, what do you call that stuff we had the other night, Karen?
Hibachi.
Hibachi.
Chicken wrap.
Lettuce, chicken wrap.
Omelets, breakfast. Hash browns.
Oh yeah, all the good stuff. Oh, this stuff is so good. You just look at it, just take a gander at this stuff. Karen likes it well done, so we're going to leave it on here a little bit. Just let it cook a little. Put my shadow on it so you can see the meat better. How's that? The sun is beating down on my back. It's 102 degrees here in Colorado. 102 degrees in Colorado.
We're having a heat wave.
Heat wave. There you go. It's all done. Steak fajitas looks perfect. I don't know if my iPad got it because it's so hot out there. The iPad shut down when we just noticed it when we were coming in. So this is the finished product. I hope you guys like my work. I don't know. I don't do good camera work. I do good mouth work, but not good camera work. See you all later. It's time to eat. Bye.